Techno Industrial Products offers R Series Vibrators. All the models from R50 to 100 are manufactured as per ATX standard, and have die casting body of aluminum. And necessary attachments also provided with them. As we can see, this vibrator have roller moves, and create vibration when air is attached to it. The roller, constructed with high-frequency roller and high torque, can be used up to 150 degrees Celsius. Resistant to extreme environmental conditions. These vibrators are widely used in glass factory, metallurgical plants, food factory, cement factory, pharmaceutical factory, plastic industry, and much more you can think of. Now we are seeing the working of vibrators simply. When we provide air, they can vibrate any surface, and do the job of moving particles or any substance easily. Thanks for watching.